Hi everyone, Alessandra here from Paper Art Alessandra, and today I'm just showing you in this simple short video how I am coloring, I am decorating embossed papers. So I used a few kinds of papers, different papers, and I used gel pens, and this is the effect that I got. So this is regular packing paper that I had from package. So I just cut the paper and I embossed it, and then I just drew on it with a gel pen. This one is my favorite. It's wax paper, the wax paper that you have in your kitchen. So I just painted on top of it with the pen, and it's beautiful because it's transparent. You can see the back. This one is handmade paper. This one is from Heather from Rose Hill Paper Cottage, and it's beautiful. Her papers are beautiful, and I like them. After when I colored, they're even prettier. So this is another handmade paper. This is another tiny piece of the wax paper. And you can use to make journaling cards, to decorate the edges of your journal, basically anything that you want, tuck spots, anything that you want to decorate your journal with papers. So I used gel pens, regular gel pens. Those I purchased on Michael's. And I like the gold better. I like the pink is beautiful too. I don't know the brand, but they are very simple from Michael's. And the other thing you need is embossed papers. And if you have a C6 machine, then you just need to use the embossing folder. Or if you don't have a C6 machine for die cut and embossing paper, then you need to purchase the embossed papers. I guess you can find them online. And the folders that I like to use, I like the floral ones. I like those patterns. They look really beautiful. This one, look how pretty it looks. This one, it's very pretty. And this one is the one that I use it. I like to use in edges. It's very pretty. This one. And this is my berry diet paper. So I just put the paper here and emboss it with the machine, and then I just colored the 3D part. So this one I just embossed it. This is a regular piece of paper from packaging, and I just cut a piece. I put inside the embossing folder, and I ran through the machine. I'm not gonna show it to you because my machine does a click at the end and it's loud, so I don't want to make a loud noise. And so I just finished it embossing. So this is the paper. This is another packaging paper that I started to color. And those are the ones, the wax paper. They are beautiful when you use on top of French papers or some florals. They're beautiful. And you can use just a tiny piece in a corner, or you can use like a long piece in the edge. This one, believe me or not, is just paper towel. So I saw a couple of weeks ago somebody was using paper towels for embossing, and I thought, oh, let me try and paint. So I painted. This one, it's more of the handmade paper. Beautiful. So I was doing this before, coloring with gold, but I was using a paste that I have. I think it's called Gold and Buff, and it's nice, but it doesn't cover everything, and it also covers the back. So I thought for this project I want to cover just the part that's 3D. I don't want to cover the back, so I decided to use the gel pens. So it's simple, very easy. You just get the pen, the color that you want, and you literally need to color. So that's what you need to do. That's it. So if it's a large piece, it's gonna take a while, but if it's just a little corner, a little piece that you're doing, it's very easy. Sometimes it's not easy to see, depend on the lights that you have. But this is how they look. I really like with the blue, and you don't need to decorate the whole piece. Like I left this without coloring, without painting. I guess it's coloring because I'm using the gel pen. So I just did this part, and here I'm going to do, after when I finish the video, I'm going to color the whole thing. I have one here that I finished already. So this is another piece of packing paper, and look how beautiful. I don't know, I hope you can see. So it's gorgeous. And this is the wax paper. I'm gonna probably cut and use just a piece like I use it here. So this is my video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.